Wait, have you ever had pho like this? This is Shanghai Pork Roll, and I just drop it into a Canadian maple glaze. Maple syrup. It sounds wrong, but when it hits that golden brown, it's worth it. Today, I'm going to show you exactly how I make it. From scratch. Pork roll is classic Shanghai street food. Pork wrapped in tofu skin, simmered in broth. Simple, humble. But nobody talks about it outside China. Fresh ginger, 1-inch piece. 2 stalks of green onion, half cup of cold water. Straight into the blender. Blend until smooth. Look at that color. Strain it. You will get about 3 tablespoons. That liquid, that's your secret. Let's start with the filling. Ground pork, 300 grams. That's about 10 ounces. Now, here's the key. The ginger and green onion water. 1 tablespoon at a time. Mix it. Three rounds total. Mix until each pore fully disappears. You're looking for the pork to grab every drop. Let's marinate. Half teaspoon of white pepper. Half teaspoon of salt. 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce. 1 tablespoon of soy sauce. 1 teaspoon of sesame oil. Mix them well. The soul of the dish starts right here. Now, tofu skin. And here's the key. Go thin, not the thick one. When it hits the broth, it doesn't just flow on top. It drinks it up. Asian grocery store, refrigerated section. You will know it when you see it. A spoonful of filling. About 1.5 tablespoons per roll. Roll. Fold. Seam side down. When it hits the heat, it's locked. It's not going anywhere. Let's do that again, step by step. Please follow me. Roll. Fold. Now, let's steam for 20 minutes. Turn off the heat. Take them out. Here's the Canadian part. High heat, medium pan. Pure maple syrup. Exactly 2 tablespoons. No more, no less. Let it coat every roll. That golden glaze, shiny, sticky. Stop. That smell, sweet, a little caramelized. This is the moment. You remember the golden broth cubes from last time? This is where they come back. 2 cubes in hot water. Now, flat rice noodles, medium width. The width that catches the broth and holds it. Here's the key. Dry noodles, soak them in cold water 30 minutes. Don't use hot water, don't rush. Then, boiling water, 30 seconds. Put them out while they are still have a bite. Pork rolls on top. Then, the golden broth. Slow, hot. Add some maple syrup to balance everything. Decorate with cilantro. skin is soft but it holds. You bite through and the broth just comes out. The filling is juicy, seasoned perfectly. And then the maple, just a whisper of sweetness at the end. It doesn't find the broth, it finishes soup, sour, clean, bright, sharp. Then the heat creeps in, not aggressive, just warm. Now, one more thing. Make a big batch. Let them cool completely. Then freeze them flat, just like the broth cubes. When you need a quick meal, broth cube in, frozen roll in. 10 minutes, done. It's worth it. If you try this at home, I really want to see it. Drop it in comments below. Or tell me, did you add more maple or keep it classic? Hit subscribe so you don't miss the next one. We went fusion today, Shanghai meets Canada. But next time, I'm taking you back to where it all started. Traditional Shanghai spring rolls. Crispy, golden, the kind my family made. If you want to see that, you know what to do.